I will talk about how can you disable reports on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, just click here on profile here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile here. Then you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click here on settings. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, so then you click here on activity filter, just click on it. Then you go down, just keep going down, come here to reports, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's my reports disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.